All right, ladies and gentlemen, uh, welcome to my channel. It's going to be all about lawn care, maybe some tech stuff here and there, but just trying to start something new and getting a little bit of a new hobby. Always been into lawn care. Hopefully, I can share some of the stuff that I've learned over the years with you. Today, we're going to do a mow, clean up the yard, and we're going to lay down some fertilizer. We're going to talk more about the fertilizer here in a second. It's a high nitrogen for the spring to get that boost up. Got some iron in it. It's got some pre-emergent, post-emergent, a little bit of everything, kind of like the Scott's brand, but we're going to learn more about that here just in a little bit, just after the mow.
Some shots of the yard before. Hasn't been mowed yet. This will be the first one of the season. Looking kind of shaggy. Should look pretty good. Getting a nice green up already. Okay, starting the mow here. Gonna lay down some stripes. There's Nova. I have two German Shepherds, so you'll be probably seeing them in most of my videos. This dark one, she's a female German Shepherd. We rescued. Her name is Nova, and then we have a white, I believe it's a Swiss German Shepherd. His name is Jax. I'm sure you'll be seeing him in some of the videos also. We're laying down some stripes here. We'll talk more about this in another video, what I'm using, the little roller you see behind my mower, where I got it. Does a good job. And the more defined stripes you'll get, the more times you mow in the same pattern, obviously. Here's the backyard. Going up and back, up and back. This goes to our back patio we just had put in. There's Jax. You see him going across the screen.
All right, what we're going to use is this Stay Green Max Performance multi-action weed and feed. It also has crabgrass control, and it says season-long feeding. We'll probably be adding more fertilizer than just this one. This says it covers, one bag covers up to 12,000 square feet. It's about a bag and a half for my yard, the front at least. And then I do have some Scott's left over from last year. I'm just going to throw on the back just for the heck of it. Let's take a look at the back and the analysis. All right, looking at the bag, we got total nitrogen about 25%. The urea nitrogen in this bag, which is what we want for that nice green up here in the spring, it's about 24.25%. Also has a little bit of potash, some calcium, magnesium, sulfur. It's got a little bit of everything. What we want, a really good green up, that dark green, is the iron right there, the Fe 6%. The rest of it is just bonus. It's gonna help make the yard a little bit healthier. All right, so the bag covers 12,000 square feet. So we're gonna fill that puppy up. And we have about 13,200 feet over there in that far striped area. Also, looking at the spreader settings, I have the Earthway, but it has listed, it's got Stay Green spreader, Scott's, most of the Scott spreaders, Precision Rotary, but mine says 15, so we're gonna go with that.
Okay, we're gonna throw her down here. Hope for the best, as the old lawn care nut says. First, we're doing a perimeter. Hitting the perimeter here, going all the way around, making sure you're getting it really good at the neighbor's lawn there where it meets. Obviously hers is darker than mine right now. Jealous. Now you want to go down each, it's about every other stripe. You want to throw back to your other wheels, meaning you're going down, you see where the edge of where your pellets are dropping, and it's hitting where your tire marks are from the previous pass.
All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We got the grass cut, the lawn is striped. We got the fertilizer, the Stay Green down in the front yard. And then we did Scott's back here. Both were triple action. You got your pre-emergent, your post-emergent, and your fertilizer. Definitely need that high nitrogen. It's looking a little pale. Showing with the stripes and everything, it makes it not as engraved as I'd like it to be. But happy. First mow. Not everything's always going to be perfect. You're not going to have the perfect lawn. That's why you come to my channel. Hopefully I can teach you a little bit. Hopefully I can learn a little bit from you guys. What I want you to do right now is hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, because there's a lot more to come. A lot more to come about how I stripe the lawn, what I use on my lawnmower. I have a Kubota Z125S. It's a Commander. It doesn't stripe the best on its own. It needs a little bit of help. Next, we'll show you the results from the Stay Green fertilizer versus the Scott's fertilizer. I laid it down tonight. Tomorrow night, it's supposed to rain a good bit. So all we at least need is about 1/4 of an inch of rain to water this in. Hopefully a light and not a washout like we have been getting here in Ohio. But don't forget, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.